Now let's talk about text alignment or alignment. This refers to the arrangement of text on a particular web page. Okay, and we have four different values it could take, and the property name is text align. So it could take left, that's by arranging all your texts to the left, right, arranging them to the right, center, by allowing it to center the text, and justify indicates that every line in a paragraph except the last line should set to take place the full width of the containing box. Okay, and you can see the code for it, how to specify text alignment. We are going to do the practice, and then we'll move on some other types of alignment. Okay, when you use several paragraphs of text, it is considered easiest to read if the text is left aligned. Justified text looks at the words on each of the individual lines and creates an equal gap between those words, just like it happens in MS Word. It can look odd if you end up with large gaps between some words and smaller gaps between others. This often happens when your lines are not very wide or when your text contains long words. Let's go to our text editor and try to align some of the text we have on the page. Now look at the text alignment rules I've typed in here. H1, I said H1 should be centered, and then H2 should be justified, while the paragraph should align to the right. You can give it any alignment value you want. Let me save it and refresh my page. Now you realize that I said my paragraph should be aligned to the right. That's why you see it's messed up this way. This should be centered, so you can see it is at the center of the page. Usually headings are centered, not necessarily always, but most headings are centered. Okay,